Welcome to our channel. Today we how to achieve financial independence faster, beginner guide step by step clearly. To achieve financial independence faster, start by setting clear, specific goals. Identify what financial independence means for you personally. Determine how much money you need to live comfortably without working. Create a budget that tracks your income and expenses. Analyze your spending habits to find areas where you can cut back. Prioritize saving by setting aside a percentage of your income each month. Build an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Consider using the avalanche or snowball method to tackle your debts. Invest in your education or skills to increase your earning potential. Explore side hustles or freelance work to generate additional income. Research different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Start investing early to take advantage of compound interest. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk. Automate your savings and investments to ensure consistency. Review your finances regularly to assess your progress toward your goals. Stay informed about personal finance trends and strategies. Network with others who have achieved financial independence. Join online groups or forums to share tips and resources. Set milestones to celebrate your progress along the way. Remain disciplined and avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Re-evaluate your goals periodically to ensure they align with your aspirations. Keep a long-term perspective and be patient in your journey. Stay committed to your plan even when challenges arise. Adjust your strategies as needed based on outcomes and circumstances. Embrace a frugal mindset while still enjoying life. Focus on building wealth rather than merely saving money. Remember that financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.